was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night.
So in today's video, I am just doing some power hour cleaning. This was the day after we all went to my sister's house to get in the pool. This is the next day and I'm just packing up the kids' swim stuff, and then there was a bag that had all of our wet clothes that I am going to make sure I take in the basement so I can wash them.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't.
So the kitchen wasn't that bad because I did straighten up before we left. So most of the stuff that's going on is from this morning, but I'm using the handheld vacuum. I will leave it linked down below, but I'm going ahead and vacuuming out this drawer and then restocking the cat food. And then the way that I like to clean is I try to get up as much as I can off of like the floor and then put up whatever needs to be put up that's on the counters, and then I focus on the sink. That way I don't feel overwhelmed. So I'm gonna load the dishwasher with as much stuff that I can put in there, and then I'm gonna hand wash everything else.
I need a new apartment, my own safe haven, and not the dump you live in. I don't need you, cause I got high ambitions, a boss vision, I'm granting all my wishes. I don't need you, cause you've been blocking me and you've held me back from day one. Always kept me down so I couldn't fly on my own. Used to think that being single was being alone. Now I know I don't need you, you. I don't need you, you. I don't need you, you. I don't need you. Yeah. I make my own decisions, my lifelong mission, releasing inhibitions. I don't need you to come crawling back to me, to tell me that you're sorry. I'm better now, I'm happy. I don't need you, cause you've been blocking me and you've held me back from day one.
So I wanted to give y'all a quick update about like how I'm feeling now after telling y'all that I was having a lot of anxiety about Jaden going to kindergarten in a few months. So my husband took him to his assessment test where, you know, they just was trying to see what he know and what he doesn't know. And my husband told me that there was like multiple security guards at the school, and there was like a few doors that you actually have to get buzzed through before you can actually fully be in the school, which made me feel better as far as like the safety in the school. Everyone was nice and the kindergarten teachers were nice. The teacher that was doing Jaden's assessment test told Justin that he was really smart. Jaden was smiling the whole rest of the day, talk about how he can't wait to go to school and be with his friends and all this other stuff. So that made me feel so much better, y'all, because when I was going through that anxiety, I was praying to God and asking him to bring me peace. Yeah, I'm just so grateful that God did bring me some peace.
I don't even know why I'm here. You've been so distant lately, taking your time, losing my mind. Yeah, do I even care anymore? Taking my love for granted, thinking about us turning to dust. You said that I already know we're better when we're alone. I don't know what to say. You don't wanna be with me, I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me, I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out. I wonder what will happen to us
I had already mopped the kitchen a few days before filming this video, but I'm going to go ahead and mop again because I do have a 2-year-old and a 5-year-old, so I try to make sure that I am cleaning up the crumbs as much as possible. Remopping, I'm using hot water and some Pine-Sol and then a teaspoon of Gain laundry powder. I love adding a little bit of Gain laundry powder because it does help with making sure, like, it does help with the mop not smelling like mop. You know, like, I just hate that mop smell. So I do like to add a teaspoon of Gain laundry powder.
I did go bored without you. I just say bye, then I miss you. Wanna control what I do. She's such a beauty with issues. Baby, we can make it so simple right now, yeah. Something in your past must be weighing you down. So your attitude, they be bossy. Feeling like the past keep on pulling back. Baby, me no longer the old me. I'd do anything just to hold you. Maybe you do bossy.
So I know y'all can see that the wash machine really needs to be wiped down. Y'all will see me do that later on in this video. I would do a whole deep clean and all of that, but I wanted to just hurry up and get these wet clothes in the washer so they could be washed and dry. I did not want them to just be sitting and start smelling. So that's what I did, but y'all will see me deep clean the wash machine later in this video.
Emotionally, I still need a break. Oh well, it's just a one night stand. 1, 2, 3, oh hey, it's nice to meet you here online. Oh no.
What I've been doing now, which is easier for me, is just fill up a bucket with hot water, Pine-Sol, and I use the brush to just dip into that to clean the shower walls and the tub. So I had already deep cleaned the shower a few days ago, so I'm only going to do the bottom half of the shower where the soap scum is starting to build up again, and then I'm going to sweep the floor so I can make sure I get that out of the way before the floor gets wet from wiping everything else down. And then once again, I filled up the bucket with some hot water, some Pine-Sol, and then I added a little bit of bleach this time because I am going to be wiping down the toilet.
If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sun sets on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm Sunday in loving, come on, give me something. I know that you want it, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right.
So our room was the messiest room this day, and then especially at my desk where I was getting ready at before we left. So I'm just gonna make up the bed and then put everything where it needs to be, sweep, and then mop.
You don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by. No lessons learned, of course you're gonna leave as soon as you came across who I am not. This party sucks, I'm out of luck, and no one seems to get me here. They talk about some all the stuff that I don't even wanna hear. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here.
So now it's time to deep clean the washing machine. I deep clean the washing machine once a month. So y'all can see that there's fabric softener all over the washing machine, and then on the agitator, I think it's called an agitator. It's not mold. The black stuff is built on like lint. So I did fill up a bucket once again with some hot water, Pine Sol. I'm going to use that to wipe everything down, and then I'm going to put the washing machine on heavy load with hot water, and then I'm going to throw in one of those fresh washing machine tablets. And then I also did pour some vinegar in the fabric softener dispenser.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears, honey. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within.
I figured I would show y'all me power hour cleaning the kitchen this night, because this was like a day where we was like busy, so I didn't have time to clean, and obviously I did not want to go to sleep with the kitchen looking this bad. So I'm gonna pick up all of the big stuff off of the floor and the kids table, and then I'm gonna put everything where it needs to be that is on the counters, and then I'm gonna load the dishwasher and wash whatever is left.
I don't even know I am here. You've been so distant lately, taking your time, losing my mind. Yeah, do I even care anymore? Taking my love for granted, thinking about us turning to dust. You said that I already know we're better when we're alone. I don't know what to say. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out. I wonder what will happen to us. Yeah, will we be friends or strangers? Feeling left out, losing our time. I miss how you make me laugh, how you make me lose my mind. You make my life every day. You said that I already know we're better when we're alone. I don't know what to say. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out. I don't wanna give it up tonight. I don't wanna give my life to someone else. Go ruin my night. I don't wanna give it up tonight. I don't wanna give my life to someone else. Go ruin my night. Go ruin my night. Go ruin my night. Thinking about what I would say, getting better day by day. Same apartment, different place. Will I ever be the same? You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get
we are towards the end of this video. I really hope that this video motivated y'all to, like, you know, want to get up and do some quick cleaning. If it did, please make sure you give this video a like. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and comment down below anything, and I will see y'all in my next one.
Yeah, do I even care anymore? Taking my love for granted. Thinking about us turning to dust. You said that I